Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, risk premiums for New Zealand's sovereign debt are sinking fast and placing us amongst the countries with the safest reputations. But first, this weekend, we'll get the latest and important US jobs report. Today, the precursor ADP employment report was out, and that revealed a stable gain of 179,000 private sector jobs in the US, right on market expectations. Markets are expecting a non-farm payroll gain of a very similar level. Any surprise above that level will raise expectations of a US rate hike at their next meeting in the third week of September. In China, nested deep in a key state website, is a call for Chinese interest rates to be cut soon. The party website is influential, and this call may well signal something significant is coming. In India overnight, they have changed their laws to allow a goods and services tax to be adopted. The new tax will do away with a bewildering thicket of overlapping state and federal tax rules. However, there's still some way to go before it is finally in place, a rate set and a final definition of the items covered. Global air freight demand recovered strongly in June, with freight tonne kilometres up 4.3% year on year. This was the fastest pace of growth in over 14 months. Air freight volumes are the biggest in the Asia-Pacific region, but these underperformed growth-wise compared with North America and Europe, where the pickup was stronger. Back in New York, US Treasury 10-year yields are higher today at 1.56%. We should also note that the risk premium the market requires for New Zealand's sovereign debt has sunk to a new post-GFC low, lower than for Australia and down to the levels commanded by Norway and Sweden at just 26 basis points. That amounts to a 30% fall in risk in just 1 month. New Zealand government debt is highly prized by international bond investors. The US benchmark oil price has bucked its downward trend in the past week with some sharp rises. Crude is up more than $1 today, or 3%, to just under $41 a barrel, and the Brent benchmark is just over $43 a barrel. Heavy petrol demand in the US for summer driving is the cause. The gold price is going the other way, down $10 to $1,355 an ounce. And the New Zealand dollar is also lower, down nearly 1 cent overnight, starting today at 71.4 US cents, at 94.2 Aussie cents, and at 64.1 euro cents. The TWI is still at 74.6. A stronger US dollar and concerns over yesterday's local labour market data were the drivers of the slip. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.